Ventura has worked hard to create an aircraft management program that we think is a win-win for owners and the company. A lot of this has been born out of our experience managing airplanes for many years. We've been in business since 1955. Traditional aircraft management puts a lot of the risk on aircraft owners. And one of the things that we consistently heard was they were really unhappy with the experience. So under our aircraft management program, our owners are protected against almost all fixed and variable costs on their aircraft, including aircraft maintenance, crew salaries, crew training, insurance, subscriptions, you name it. All of our aircraft owners earn a consistent return, and when they need the airplane, it's available for them at owner rates because it's their aircraft. The thing our owners consistently tell us that they love most about the program is that they rarely hear from us. They get monthly owner reports, but they're not consistently pestered with small maintenance items that need to be addressed or requests from pilots for time off or pay increases. They don't need to pay for multiple training periods a year. The goal is for them to be able to do the thing that they want to do, which is focus on their life and their business that has enabled them to buy this airplane and allow us to do the thing that we need to do, which is operate these airplanes in a safe and efficient manner.